Hi everyone. Today I want to discuss about one of the important question. Alkene react with dilute H2SO4 form alcohol. The alkene name is 2-methyl propene. The formed alcohol is tertiary butyl alcohol. Which of the following ions are intermediates in the accepted mechanism for this process? Intermediates are 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here options are given. Option A 1, 2, 3 are correct. 1, 2, 3. Option B 2 and 3 are correct. Then option C none of the above. The process is concerted mechanism, single step reaction. Option D only 4 is the correct answer. Now decide which is the correct answer for this. Answer this question within 15 seconds. Now the correct answer for this, first we will try the mechanism for this reaction. Dilute H2SO4 meaning what is the H2SO4 and water. This is called dilute H2SO4. This is lone pair present at oxygen. This proton donor is acid, then one proton accepted by H2O and converted into H3O plus. One lone pair is accepted the H plus and it is converted into H3O plus and HSO4 minus. Now this H3O plus react with this alkene. H3O plus, it is represented like this. This pi bond accept this H plus and convert into, here the H plus is added to this CH2, not to here. Then it form a tertiary carbocation. If H plus here added, then it form a primary carbocation. Primary carbocation is unstable than the tertiary carbocation. Therefore, we will get this CH2 plus H, this is CH3 and this will be a carbocation formed here. Along with this, we have a water molecule. Okay, now this electrophile will take the electron from this nucleophile, then here bond form between the carbon and oxygen. Actually these are the reversible reaction. Then we will get here OH, one lone pair is bonded with this carbon, therefore it is a positive charge on the oxygen, one lone pair is present. Now again one more water, because dilute means more number of water molecule will be there. In that, one of the water molecule will take this H plus and this will be converted into this neutral molecule. Okay, then we will get here OH lone pair along with this H2O and H is converted into H3O plus. As a catalyst it is remain same. Therefore in this reaction you can observe this is the intermediate and this is also one intermediate. Then this is actually represented according to this one. Now OH2 plus H2 plus. Okay, so how many intermediates are there in this reaction? 1 and 2. So according to given options here, this is intermediate, this is intermediate, therefore 2 and 3 are correct. The first one is not primary carbocation, that is not the intermediate, this is also not intermediate, therefore option B is correct option. Very important for competitive exam to decide their intermediates and which of the product is major. So if you know a clear mechanism, then you will decide what is the intermediate form in the reaction and what is the catalyst, and it is one step or two step mechanism and which is a major product we will decide. Therefore, try to know a clear mechanism for the each and every reaction. Thank you very much for watching this video.